Amazon rainforest, a place so massive, so alive, it's often called the lungs of the earth. But here's something most people don't know. The Amazon doesn't just survive on rain, it actually makes its own. Yes, this living forest creates the very weather it needs to stay alive. Deep in the heart of the Amazon, billions of trees stretch toward the sky, each one quietly working, drawing water from the soil and breathing it back into the air. Through tiny pores on their leaves, these trees release water vapor in a process called transpiration. Now imagine this. Every single tree can release hundreds of liters of water every day. That moisture rises up, meets the warm air, and starts to form clouds. Soon, those clouds burst open, raining down again onto the forest floor. It's a perfect cycle. Scientists estimate that about half of all the rainfall in the Amazon is recycled by the forest itself. In other words, the Amazon rains because the Amazon exists. But it doesn't stop there. This water vapor doesn't just stay above the forest. It travels, carried by winds thousands of kilometers away. Experts call them flying rivers. These invisible streams of moisture drift across South America, watering distant farmlands, feeding rivers, and even influencing the weather in cities like São Paulo and Buenos Aires. Without the Amazon's vapor, many of those places would face severe droughts. The forest doesn't just sustain itself, it sustains life far beyond its borders. But there's a fragile balance here. When trees are cut down, the forest loses its ability to create rain. Less vapor means fewer clouds. Fewer clouds mean longer dry seasons. Scientists warn that if deforestation continues, the Amazon could reach a tipping point, where the rainforest begins to dry out and transform into savanna. If that happens, the world would lose one of its greatest natural climate regulators. So, the next time you see rain falling, remember somewhere. A tree might have breathed it into existence. The Amazon isn't just a forest. It's a living system that creates its own rain, its own life, and even ours.